Stanley have a comprehensive clamping category. Innovation has been brought to the range by introducing two trigger clamps, the Fatmax Auto. Here we have a multi-angle vise with a table, a utility vise, a heavy-duty bench vise. These are popular C or G clamps of different sizes with forged steel frame. Bar clamps. There are two F clamps of different design and a parallel bar clamp. The hand screw clamp for clamping softer materials like wood that won't make any impression in the frames. Special clamps, a light duty corner clamp, a heavy duty corner clamp. This is a range of spring clamps, from the tiny plastic spring clamp through to the large plastic spring clamp, and then the heavy duty steel clamps with removable plastic jaws. This clamp has a 4.5 metre band, and with the square corner blocks is ideal for one person clamping of square cornered frames. However, the corner clamps can be removed so that the strap may fit in regular shaped objects.